Why does your scanner show the P13B6 engine code? What does it mean? P13B6 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft exhaust, camshaft reference angle difference outside of limit value. This engine code indicates that this means the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor is not within factory specifications, potentially causing issues with engine timing. Common causes include issues with the Vanos system, timing chain, or camshaft or crankshaft sensors. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: crankshaft and camshaft sensor issues, Vanos system problems, valvetronic system faults, wiring and connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in BMW vehicles, particularly models like the 328i and 750Li. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.